Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by updating drivers and confirming your display supports wireless casting. This prevents failed connections. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and open the display or network settings on your laptop so you can discover receivers. Make sure the target display is switched to its wireless input or pairing mode. Otherwise, the laptop won't find it. If the display uses a dongle, plug it in and power it. These steps create the environment needed to initiate a wireless display session. Next, open your laptop's projection or Connect interface and scan for the display. You want a clear, intentional pairing. Choose whether you want to duplicate, extend, or use the external screen only, because each mode affects resolution and performance differently. Once connected, adjust resolution and scaling to match the TV or monitor to avoid blurry text. Make sure audio output switches to the display if needed. If latency is an issue, lower resolution or change the display mode to improve responsiveness. To finish, test playback and interaction to confirm the setup is stable. Check audio and video sync and lock any preferred display settings. If the connection drops or won't pair, reboot both devices and retry the pairing sequence. This clears temporary network or driver glitches. Make sure firmware and drivers remain current, and if problems persist, move to Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference. Remember this single troubleshooting tip: reboot and repair before changing advanced settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.